Wait for it. Just wait for it.
Oh yeah, it's about to hit him.
No doubt.
Yeah.
We're sitting here live here at Night TV. You know what I mean? Go ahead and introduce yourself on Night TV right here.
It's good. This is Professor Logic holding it down for CSR. Cornerstone Records is in the building.
No doubt, no doubt.
Yes, sir.
No
Y'all
doubt.
in the lab.
This is the lab right here. Let them know where you're from, Big Pimpin'.
Oh yeah, I'm from Southside Jamaica, Queens. New York is in the building.
No doubt, no
One
doubt.
time, yes sir.
Yes, son. And I see the lab is in Bird.
Oh yeah. Been down here a few years now, just holding it down. Putting my little New York flavor down here in the South. So you know what I mean?
Already all day. So let them know what projects you got coming up. You know what I'm saying? What's new?
Word, I'm working right now on Levi Stress album. Pretty much working with Crosswords on the whole album with him, another CSR affiliate. I got a show coming up in Asheville, Bobo's Art Gallery. Look out for me there. The 7th of May. Come check your boy and support that. A lot of other projects. Crocker's project is still in effect. Working on that hard body and everything else. I'm open for it. All new projects. Just holler at me because I'm always working. Word.
All day. You know what I'm saying? Beat maker here, original producer, boom bap. Let cats know what he got to do to get a production company. What he got to do?
Son, get at either my man Levi Stress to get all your contact information and hit me up on MySpace, Professor Logic, or just Google Professor Logic. That's a shortcut. That'll help everybody else out right there.
Yeah, no doubt, no doubt. Let's just let the track go for.
Oh, anywhere from 25, they range from 25 to $100 a track. So, if y'all need new tracks, just holler at me, man. Real talk, that good stuff, man.
No doubt, no doubt. Already. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What's your style of production you do? You know, I see you got the boom back gutter.
Oh yeah, it's straight 90s boom bap hip hop, traditional hip hop. It's not none of the new school, none of that new era-ness, none of no dance moves, none of that, no singing hooks. It's just traditional hip hop lyricism, raw hip hop from the 90s. You know what I mean?
No doubt.
No additives, none whatsoever.
Already. That's what it is. You know what I'm saying? I see you up there on the, you know what I'm saying, production. What you working with right there? Let us know what kind of tools you're using.
And I got a few tools. Pretty much I'm rocking with this MPD 32 program. My DAW that I'm using is Ableton Live 8. You know what I mean? Full edition is not no black market shit. You know what I mean? I paid for it.
Right.
I got the ASR right here. I just filtered. It's my old school. It's my love right here. I filter all my audio through the ASR. Give it that real analog ruggedness. You dig?
No doubt.
I got my KRKs, my Rocket 6 studio monitors. It's pretty joints in red. My favorite color. I ain't gonna get into the color thing, but yeah, that's my thing.
No doubt.
My trusty turntable, my old Gemini. It ain't no Technics 1200, but it get the job done for sampling, you dig? And that pretty much, besides my vinyl, because that's my only influence, is vinyl. So I'm not no E-digger. Your boy got wax. Give me a record, dude. I don't download audio.
Yes, sir. Already straight off the wax. You know what I mean? That burn like candles. You feel me?
Oh, yeah.
All day long. You know what I'm saying? I see you got a lot of things going on. You got the L Stretch Drag, got the mixtape. What's up and coming shows you got going on?
Besides the show at the Bobo's Art Gallery, I'm pretty much I don't have any shows. Your boy is not booked anywhere. I need love in South Cac, so y'all help me out. Be my street team, pretty much.
Yeah, no doubt.
Oh yeah.
Already, no doubt. You know what I'm saying? Let cats know, you know what I'm saying, the hip hop flavor history. A lot of cats don't know the history. What's your influences on beatmaking? What's your influences?
Oh, hands down, I have to give much respect to cats like RZA, Havoc, especially DJ Premier, Jay Dilla, rest in peace,
no doubt,
Madlib, and that's pretty much, I'm going to wrap it up right there for my influences, because I don't have a long, extensive list of influences, because my sound is pretty much as Logic, it's nobody else's stuff, so you know what I mean, that's what it is on the influence tip. I mean,
no doubt. So I'm saying, if anybody would do a movie about you, who would play you?
Who would play me?
Yeah.
This is going to sound funny, y'all, but I would pick Omar F to play me because Omar F's played the role that pretty much triggered it for hip-hop for me, and that was Juice. The role that he played in Juice is GQ. It's pretty much how I feel about myself with the whole music thing. So I would pick Omar F to play my role. If I'd done a movie on Logic, the producer would be Omar F.
No doubt. Yeah. He did like it a little bit too. I didn't put some dreads on him.
That's it. Lock you up. Put some Clark Kents on him.
That's it.
You got it.
You ready to roll? You ready to roll? No doubt, man. You know what I'm saying? This is the lab right here. 90 TV. Those who forgot. I'm Frank Exotic. You know, hear me, but you don't see me.
Yeah, he in the building though.
All day. You know what I'm saying? You'll see got L Stress over there.
Chilling in the lab. You know what I'm saying? In the
You know what I mean?
CSR.
Making it do what it do.
IEMG, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? Yo, without doubt, introduce yourself, Big Thing, another MC over here.
Mason the MC right here.
It's the brother Lobby right there. This nigga know everything I know.
I run under my government name because I ain't with that fake real nigga shit.
Yeah, that.
Exactly.
No doubt. Already. Let them guys know where you from.
I'm from Jamaica, Queens. That's what I'm rapping. That's where I was born at. That's probably where I'm going to lay my head to.
Yeah, no doubt. Without it is. You know what I'm saying? Let guys know what's going on with you. New mixtape. New joints dropping.
Oh, nah, right now it's like we still working on that album. We've been working on the album for 2 years. We gonna have that finished, you know, as soon as I get this book out the way. I'm working on my second book right now.
Yeah.
You know, you can check out egosinthepulpit.com. I worked on a project with my uncle, the Reverend Dr. Alphas Leroy Phillip.
No doubt.
And, you know, y'all can check that out. We worked on it. It's about all this pseudo pimping and all this, you know, gigolo nonsense that's going on in the black church.
That's it.
You know, and it's called Egos in the Pulpit. Look that up, y'all. You know, and I'm working on a book right now. It's called The Invisible Man and the False Alpha Male.
Right.
All right. The invisible man is the welfare state.
No
The
doubt.
false alpha male is the fake real niggas that you can see on BET any day.
All day.
Okay. That's what I'm writing about, because these issues will not get addressed in the white controlled black media.
Right.
The white controlled black media, where they decide what the hell we gonna get to say.
No doubt.
What images we gonna put of ourselves on that screen.
Already.
Exactly, man. It's
No doubt.
needed. That's why I'm making this effort for us.
Yeah, man, that's church right there, y'all. It's very recognized. That's church. This what it is, 90 TV. You know, we got the, you know what I'm saying, corner store folks in the building. 90 TV, man. We're going to sign off like this, y'all. Making it do what it do.
Yes, sir.
Already, all day.
CSR.
Yeah, buddy.
The Bill Fest.
Already.
Look out for us. Google that. May 16th, the gathering spot. CSR artists. Myself, Crocker, Cross, man, Professor Logic Prime be in the building, whole family be in the building. That's for a spot to do a hip hop takeover type of joint, you know, like I said. You're gonna be in there doing that, and just look out for us up in Asheville and anywhere else you might see us, you know, because we're trying to make it big. 2010.
That's what it is.
It's the year of the atom.
All right. That's how you get down. 90 TV. We out, though.